several weeks CBI for SSR. In fact, Ria herself has asked for CBI, but the manner in which this case is being done is as if Ria is already guilty. For you and your clients, it appears that Ria is already guilty. Is that the way a trial should run in studios and in this surround sound, Vikas Singh ji?
Well, Rajdeep, if that is your complaint, then I should then not talk to you, because it's not. I'm not asking you to talk to me. It's you who are wanting to talk to me. So if you don't want to talk to me, I have no issue with that.
No, I have a specific question to you. Has there been a media trial in your view? Okay, there you have Vikas Singh, who says that he's leaving the show.
You don't have this habit. I'm sorry to tell you and remind you, you are interviewing the former president. Please have the necessary courtesy. Don't interrupt. I'm sorry to tell you.
Absolutely.
I am not eager to appear on the screen. You have invited me. Firstly, you cannot raise your voice.
My apologies.
I am answering to the question.
So I don't see a politician here, so I don't know why this question is. And secondly, Rajdeep, you just got scolded by the former president of India on TV. You remember that or not? No, I am younger to you. I am your friend, and I can't scold you. So
Look, I have a bad record.
you still take such risks in life. That,
Why are you leaving that deliberately out?
So you believe that
Why are you leaving it deliberately out?
Okay.
Are you telling me that a woman in this country will be violated only so that she can make a headline? Is that your charge as a man or as a journalist?
No, my charge is that there are people within possibly your own party or your own critics,
concoct things
or
on
your
the
own
behalf
critics,
of so-called
or
people.
own critics.
What does Rajdeep Sardesai think?
I
That
think-
I concoct issues
No, I
so
think
I
that
can be
Smriti
in the
Irani is an
headline
extremely
and
talented
be
woman.
violated so that Rajdeep Sardesai can ask me about it in an interview?
Okay. So you think that this that the Fab?
What do you think about it as a man and as a journalist?
I think what happened in the Fab India issue, those who tried to raise a controversy suggesting that you had deflected
No, I'm
attention from it.
asking what Rajdeep Sardesai
Rajdeep
thinks about
Sardesai-
the incident.
Rajdeep Sardesai thinks that Smriti Irani has every reason to raise the issue.
That's it.
Okay.
End of story.
Okay.
End of story. Okay.
नमस्कार, हमारे साथ देश के सबसे पावरफुल व्यक्ति है, नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं है हमारे साथ है मुकेश अंबानी जी। जब मैंने कहा कि सबसे पावरफुल या ताकतवर व्यक्ति हमारे साथ है, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं? आप मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मानता हूँ। मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं। मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं।
Where do you stand on this whole intolerance-tolerance debate? Many other stars have spoken about it. Do you believe that we have become a more intolerant society?
You know, Rajdeep, I don't know how journalists address this issue, but really, I'm not qualified to answer this question at all. I'm the least educated person as far as these issues are concerned.
You're being diplomatic. You don't want to fall into a trap.
No. So, okay, so you're admitting that this is some kind of a trap for me.
No, I'm not.
राजदीप, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है। पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए, मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
चलिए।
कहीं ये जो लोगों में एक, या तो आप कहेंगे तो ये प्रोपेगेंडा है, लेकिन कि आप और अमित शाह के बीच में कुछ न कुछ डील है कि जहां बीजेपी को, जहां मुस्लिम समुदाय 15% से ज्यादा है, वहां आप जाकर चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल सही फरमाए कि वो डील आपके ही घर पे हुई थी। आपके ही घर पे लंच हुआ था, वेजिटेरियन लंच था। आपने कहा कि नहीं, वो बैठे वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैं आपके ही साथ खाया था। आप ही जिम्मेदार हैं उसके। वो डील आप करवाए थे, मैंने ही करवाया था। मैं तो आपकी मोहब्बत में फिदा हो गया।
Spectrum of Indian media ranges between Arnab Goswami on one side, जो लोगों को बुला के उनको डांटता रहता है, and Rajdeep Sardesai on the other side, जो जा के लोगों से डांट खाता रहता है। सरदेसाई का इतना कमिटमेंट है ना डांट खाने को लेके किस किससे डांट नहीं खाया यार, उसको प्रणब मुखर्जी, सानिया मिर्जा, सौरभ गांगुली, मैं सबसे डांट खा रहा। उसका डे जॉब जर्नलिज्म है, पैशन तो उसका डांट खाना ही है।